When buying with limit orders, how does the probability come into play versus stop orders, 40%, 60%? Well, it's a little bit tricky. When I'm buying with limit orders or selling with limit orders, I'm usually using a wide stop and scaling in. And therefore my risk is big. You can only take a big risk trade if one thing is true. And that is that your probability of winning is true. And that's what scaling in does. It gives you a much higher probability of winning. I know what you're saying. You're saying if you look at the high of a bar 31, do the bulls have more than a 40% chance, more than a 60% chance buying with a stop order? The bears, if they sell the 31 high, do they have only a 40% chance of success? Do they have a 60% chance of success? Is probability always within that 40 to 60% band? If you look at the course, I tried to make it clear that 90% of the bars in the chart you can buy or sell at any instant and make money. 10% of the bars on any chart look like this, and you really can only make money buying. But if we're not in a situation like these 3 bars, at the end of the day, we'll have 3 bars out of 81 where there was a very high probability, much higher than 60% chance that we knew what the market was going to do next. However, 3 out of 81, that's about 4%, right? A general rule is about 10% of the bars on the chart are high probability, 60% or higher, that you know what the market's going to do over the next few bars. But 90% of the bars on the chart, you're never really that certain it's below 60%. Sometimes it's only 40%. So if you're buying with a stop or buying or selling with a limit order or buying with a limit order, no matter how you're entering, probability is just not as high as you want. And you can increase your probability by using a wide stop and scaling in. So as far as stop versus limit orders, 90% of the bars, the probability for the bull case or the bear case is between 40 and 60%, which allows traders to structure a short or structure a long. The probability is 40 to 60%. You probably have a 90% chance of being profitable if you can structure your trade correctly and manage it correctly.